getting recorded first. There you go. So later on, this meeting can be viewed. Yeah, we will definitely share with you the link. So for those of you who are not here today, can watch it, can re-watch it again. And for some of you who haven't really listened to the presentation of Nagaya and would like to know more about what is Nagaya, you can visit our website at www.nagaya.co. Yeah, and you can watch the presentation of Nagaya in English and in Bahasa Indonesia, and soon coming in Korea as well, anytime you want. So if you go to the website, later on there is an automated webinar that you can just enter and you can watch it anytime. Yeah, so for some of you who still haven't, is still new to Nagaya, Nagaya is a hybrid cryptocurrency, the first ever hybrid cryptocurrency in the world. Yeah, so to know more, you can visit our YouTube or you can visit our social media. So without further ado, let us get into our first session of the day. Yeah, the session with our CEO, Mr. Johannes Chandra, in which he will share a word or two about Nagaya and what is his hopes for Nagaya in 2021. Mr. Johannes Chandra, over to you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Dani, for the introduction, and good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is in the evening time. Well, actually, we have one guest from US, and it's actually a bit morning there, almost morning time. Jadi saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak, selamat malam, dan terima kasih banyak untuk semua keluarga Nagaya yang hadir pada malam hari ini. So first of all, on behalf of all Nagaya technology staff and management team, I want to sincerely thank all of our Nagaya holders, family members worldwide for the support and hard work in this very challenging year. Jadi pertama-tama saya ingin mengucapkan atas nama seluruh staff dan manajemen dari Nagaya, mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada Anda semua yang telah bergabung menjadi keluarga besar Nagaya di seluruh dunia. Anda sudah menjadi pemegang dari Nagaya, dan terima kasih banyak untuk semua support dan kerja kerasnya di tahun yang sangat-sangat sangat-sangat menantang ini. Karena tahun 2020 ini benar-benar merupakan tahun yang sangat menantang bagi kita. Well, despite all of the challenges that happened in 2019 and 2020, Nagaya sales is still increased very well. Yes, not as much as we hope for and expect, but keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic that hit the whole world, we could still be proud of our achievement this year. Memang dengan semua tantangan-tantangan yang ada di tahun 2019 dan 2020, penjualan Nagaya masih dapat berjalan dengan cukup baik. Memang tidak seperti yang kita harapkan dan tidak seperti yang kita ekspektasi, tetapi mengingat kondisi pandemi COVID-19 ini yang bukan hanya terjadi di Korea, Indonesia, Singapura, tapi seluruh dunia, kita masih boleh bangga atas pencapaian yang kita dapat di tahun ini. In this year 2020, there were a lot of plans that we couldn't realize or we couldn't optimize or still delayed. But besides that, there were a lot of events that happened that weren't planned before due to this pandemic. Di tahun 2020 ini banyak sekali rencana-rencana kerja dari Nagaya yang belum dapat kami realisasikan, ataupun terundur. Jadi terundur karena pandemi ini Nah, tapi di lain itu ada juga beberapa kejadian yang sebenarnya tidak kami sangka, tidak kami duga, tetapi ternyata bisa terjadi. Kita juga nggak tahu mungkin di hal-hal yang baik, hal-hal yang buruk, di dalam hal-hal yang buruk pasti akan ada hal-hal yang baik yang akan terjadi. So we believe that in all bad seasons, all bad things, there must be something good will happen to us. one of the unplanned yet very big milestone that happened in 2020 was the signing of MOU with one of the shopping center in South Korea's new government city, Sejong City. Well, this is thanks to our CMO, so we have to give him a very big applause to Professor Hee Cho-jong. Yeah, thanks to him and thanks to all the Nagaya's team in Korea, in South Korea. Okay, so we can get this MOU. So probably we are the first ever cryptocurrency company that had met these milestones. Ya, jadi salah satu pencapaian yang tidak diduga sebenarnya, ya saya juga nggak tahu ya, apakah Profesor Jung sudah merencanakan ini dari awal, tapi dia nggak pernah mau ngomong, jadi dia mau bikin surprise. So even I'm not sure whether Professor Jung already prepared this for a very long time, but probably he wants to give me a very big surprise. Ya, jadi salah satu pencapaiannya adalah kita tanda tangan MOU ya dengan salah satu shopping center yang akan dibangun tahun depan dan beroperasi di tahun 2023. Ya, ini adalah shopping center yang ada di pusat pemerintahan baru Korea Selatan di Sejong City. Ya, jadi nantinya Nagaya akan digunakan sebagai alat pembayaran untuk transaksi yang dilakukan di mall tersebut. Ya. Nah, Nagaya has also partnered with one Visa debit card issuer in South Korea to release Nagaya Visa card that our Nagaya holders can later use to receive dividends or dividends royalty or even referral bonus. Yeah, this is also thanks to Professor Jung. Yeah, to make this happen for all of us. Ya, jadi kita juga sudah berpartner ya dengan salah satu penerbit visa itu di South Korea yang nantinya kita akan memiliki visa debit card Nagaya yang nantinya bisa menjadi salah satu opsi buat Bapak Ibu yang ingin meng-cash out, jadi menguangkan bisa dividen ataupun royalti dividennya ataupun juga bonus-bonus referral. And due to, again, the amazing work of our Nagaya holders in South Korea, we have officially launched the Nagaya Korea Company. This would further increase the trust for Nagaya in South Korea. Yeah, so thank you for all the support and effort that have been put into Nagaya by Professor Jung, our CMO, Chief of Marketing Officer, and to all of his team in South Korea. So thank you so much. Ya, jadi salah satu lagi berkat kerja tim dari South Korea, kita kita officially, jadi sudah resmi memiliki satu perusahaan di Korea, yaitu Nagaya Korea. Nah, ini nantinya akan meningkatkan kepercayaan dari bukan cuma meningkatkan kepercayaan ya, tapi juga bagus untuk mengembangkan bisnis Nagaya di Korea Selatan. Itu dia. Jadi ada beberapa rencana yang sudah kita siapkan ya untuk antara Indonesia dan Korea Selatan. Ini termasuk juga berhubungan dengan salah satu proyek kita, yaitu proyek nikel kita. Yang kita tahu bahwa Korea Selatan itu kan penghasil produsen mobil yang sekarang cukup diperhitungkan di dunia ya. Kita tahu Hyundai, Kia, dan saya pun baru tahu ya ternyata di Korea itu lebih banyak lagi merek mobil yang kita nggak pernah dengar. Bahkan Samsung pun di sana membuat mobil. Ya, so as we know that this company in Korea will work very closely with one of our projects, which is the nickel mining. Yeah, because as you know that in Korea is one of the biggest car producer in the world, and now it's very Dan sangat diperhitungkan Dan?
Yeah, it's The car company, right?
Countable,
Yeah.
very countable in the world. Yeah, and they are really working hard to the best hybrid car or even electric cars. Yeah, so yeah. Jadi perusahaan yang di Korea. Really sorry that I have to speak in two language, Indonesia and Bahasa. So Mr. Dani will not be working so hard tonight to translate it for me. Yeah. Okay. Well, another milestone is that Nagaya First Projects is already in operational. So we already running a very small scale of projects, which is regarding the nickel mining, nickel producing, and we target to distribute our first dividend payout in early 2021. So in January 2021, for the very first time, for the very first stage, dividends will be distributed fully in the form of US dollar, to all Nagaya holders, in accordance with the amount of Nagaya they own. I wish to congratulate all of our Nagaya holders for receiving your first dividends in January 2021. Jadi salah satu juga pencapaian yang sangat menggembirakan bahwa kita telah mulai proyek kecil pertama kita, itu berhubungan dengan nikel di tahun 2020, di akhir tahun 2020 ini, dan kita mentargetkan untuk mendistribusikan dividen pertama kita nanti di Januari tahun 2021. Jadi untuk di tahap awal ini memang semua dividen nantinya akan diberikan dalam bentuk cash, jadi dalam bentuk US dollar atasnya dulu, supaya lebih mengoptimalkan pembagian dividen bagi setiap pemegang Nagaya, bergantung dari berapa Nagaya yang Anda miliki. Jadi Anda tidak perlu takut, walaupun Anda cuma punya satu Nagaya, Anda pun tetap berhak untuk mendapatkan dividen. Nah, itu indahnya Nagaya. Nah, saya ingin mengucapkan selamat bagi Anda yang mungkin akan ikut di batch pertama. Apa itu mereka yang membeli Nagaya sampai dengan bulan Oktober 2020. Jadi mereka akan mulai mendapatkan dividen pertamanya di Januari nanti 2021. But there's also a lot of plans that couldn't be executed or will be delayed for the coming years. Nagaya was supposed to make an appearance, so we supposed to attend 3 blockchain conference, namely in Moscow in April 2020, in Los Angeles, USA in May 2020, and Thailand, October 2020. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all of these conferences has to be delayed until further notice. And one of them already announced that they are going to cancel the meeting, the conference. Jadi memang ada banyak juga rencana kita yang belum bisa kita laksanakan atau harus mundur mungkin ke tahun depan. Kita itu Nagaya ini seharusnya mengikuti 3 konferensi blockchain yang cukup besar. Yang pertama itu di Moskow, Rusia, itu di bulan April 2020 seharusnya. Kemarin mereka bilang mundur sampai Oktober, tapi sampai Oktober pun akhirnya dimundur lagi sampai pemberitahuan lebih lanjut. Nah, kemudian juga di Los Angeles itu di bulan Mei 2020, Thailand Oktober 2020. Nah, tapi yang Thailand akhirnya diberitahukan bahwa di cancel. Jadi dibatalkan. Nah, jadi ini semua karena pandemi COVID-19 ini, sehingga akhirnya mereka harus mundur atau ada satu yang akhirnya dibatalkan. Well, we all hope that in 2021, situation will be much better, will become better, as there are big plans for Nagaya to expand into other markets, including China, Russia, Japan, US, Vietnam, and some more countries. there are also several teams that are already in talks to expand into these countries. Ya, kita berharap ya tahun 2021 mudah-mudahan ini vaksin yang kabarnya akan segera beredar itu memang bisa berfungsi dengan baik ya, bisa bermanfaat bagi kesehatan kita semua, sehingga di tahun 2021 ini situasinya akan menjadi lebih baik karena kita sebenarnya sudah mempersiapkan Nagaya ini untuk berekspansi ke beberapa market lain ya, seperti Cina, kemudian Rusia, Jepang, US, Vietnam, dan lain-lain. Karena sudah ada beberapa tim yang memang sudah intens dalam beberapa bulan terakhir ini membahas tentang kemungkinan Nagaya untuk ekspansi di negara mereka masing-masing. Ya. Well, one of the also happy things are Nagaya presence are also currently being monitored by exchanges around the world. They are already opening talks with us, very interested to have us in their platforms. And currently we are maintaining the relationship so we can enter when the time is right. Jadi keberadaan Nagaya ini pun ternyata sudah mulai dimonitor oleh beberapa crypto exchange ya di dunia. Salah satu yang sangat intens untuk menghubungi kita itu ada dari Australia, dari Prancis, dan dari Rusia. Nah, jadi mereka sudah mulai berdiskusi dengan kita, sudah mulai menyatakan bahwa mereka ingin supaya Nagaya ini nantinya bisa listing di exchanger mereka. Jadi saat ini kita sedang membangun relasi aja dengan mereka sampai kita saat yang tepat. Jadi sampai kita boleh untuk masuk di exchanger. Nah, kita sudah ada beberapa platform yang siap untuk menerima Nagaya. Nah, Nagaya's digital marketing team that led by Mr. Dani is also showing a lot of value. Mr. Dani and Miss Wihwi and Miss Grace is also showing a lot of value and exposure to our Nagaya holders and those that have never heard of Nagaya. Jadi kita sudah memulai digital marketing kita ya, dipimpin oleh Pak Dani, oleh Miss Wihwi dan juga Miss Grace. Ya, dan hasilnya cukup baik. Bahkan kemarin kita mendapatkan visitor ya. Satu visitor dari Afrika, Sierra Leone. Ya, jadi sudah lumayan, sudah untuk melihat kondisi sekarang ini di mana kita belum bisa kemana-mana, belum bisa ketemu siapa-siapa, ya itu cukup menggembirakan. Well, we certainly hope that 2021 will be a very better year for all of us. And with all of your support and prayers, our Nagaya family all over the world, we are looking forward to getting Nagaya available in exchanges all over the world into 2021. Ya, jadi kami sangat berharap dan kami butuh support dan doa dari Anda semua supaya tahun 2021 ini bisa menjadi tahun yang lebih baik bagi kita semua. Ya, bagi semua pemegang Nagaya. Nah, kami juga sudah planning, jadi sudah mempersiapkan supaya Nagaya ini di tahun 2021, jadi target kami adalah akhir tahun 2021, sudah bisa masuk di exchanger di beberapa tempat di dunia. Well, last word from me is I would like to thanks all of our Nagaya holders once again and wish you all a very good new year. Jadi sekali lagi saya ingin mengucapkan banyak sekali terima kasih buat semua Anda yang telah percaya untuk memegang Nagaya, dan kita berharap supaya tahun depan adalah tahun yang sangat baik untuk kita semua. So I'll give the forum back to Mr. Dani. Thank you.
Oke, thank you so much, Mr. Johannes as CEO. Terima kasih banyak Pak Johannes sebagai CEO Nagaya Technologies ya, sudah mencapai for already sharing his vision for 2021, and definitely appreciation for all members yang sudah memberikan apresiasi ya kepada semua pemegang Nagaya seluruh dunia dan juga harapannya untuk 2021. So now we will be hearing a bit of probably Christmas and New Year greeting from our management team. Ya, kita sekarang akan mendengarkan sedikit mungkin ucapan selamat ya, selamat Natal dan Tahun Baru, dan mungkin harapan-harapan juga dari manajemen tim kita. Let us start with our Chief Marketing Officer, Professor Jung, to share a bit of words or two to our Nagaya family worldwide. Go ahead, Mr. Jung. I'll open the mic for you.
Hello, I'm Jung from Korea.
Halo, saya Profesor Jung dari Korea.
I miss you so much, all of you.
Saya sangat kangen dengan Anda semua.
And I'm so proud to stand in Nagaya meeting now.
Saya sangat bahagia dan sangat bangga bisa berada di antara Anda semua.
2 years ago, a very big issue come out in my life.
2 tahun yang lalu, satu hal yang sangat besar terjadi dalam hidup saya.
First one, I met my fiancé.
Yang pertama, saya berjumpa dengan tunangan saya.
And the second, I met John.
Dan yang kedua, saya bertemu dengan Pak Johannes.
When I meet my fiancé and John, okay.
Yeah.
They give me one and steal from one from me.
Oke, ketika saya bertemu dengan fiancé saya dan John, dia mengambil satu hal dari saya.
My fiancé and John give me dream and hope for the future.
Oke, mereka memberikan satu hal kepada saya. Tunangan saya dan Pak Johannes memberikan saya impian untuk masa depan.
Steal from me my heart.
Mengambil hati saya dari saya.
I hope all Nagaya families can live healthy and happy next year. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Saya sangat berharap semua keluarga besar pemegang Nagaya seluruh dunia, Anda ya bisa lebih sehat, selalu bahagia di masa-masa mendatang. Selamat Tahun Baru dan Selamat Natal. Thank you, Professor Jung. Thank you so much. Okay. Sorry, I got muted. Okay, so that is our Chief Marketing Officer, Professor Jung. Now, we will be hearing from our Chief Communication Officer, Hui Hui, to share a few words about Christmas and New Year. Sekarang kita akan mendengarkan dari Chief Communication Officer kita ya yang berdomisili di Singapura, Ko Hui Hui, untuk sharing ucapan Natal dan Tahun Barunya. Hui Hui, go ahead.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Selamat sore semuanya, selamat malam.
Okay, first of all, even though we are separated now,
walaupun kita terpisah, walaupun kita seperti terpisah ya gara-gara COVID-19 ini,
we hope that we will be able to travel soon in future.
Ya, kami berharap kami dapat mengunjungi Anda ya setelah semua ini sudah berakhir.
And with this, we hope that Nagaya will be able to progress slowly but steadily for next year.
Kami juga berharap Nagaya ini terus maju ya, walaupun pelan-pelan, tapi kita terus maju ke depan tahun-tahun mendatang.
Okay, and lastly, I hope that everyone will stay healthy.
Saya berharap Anda semua tetap
and
sehat.
more good things will come for the coming year.
Dan semua yang terbaik akan datang kepada Anda di tahun-tahun yang akan datang. That's it?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Hui, as our CCO.
감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida.
And terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Yeah. So That is, thank you so much, Hui. Yeah, that is our Chief Communication Officer. So that is the greetings from our management team. Itu adalah ya ucapan Natal dan Tahun Baru dari tim manajemen Nagaya. Sekarang ya, now we are going to listen to the stories of our Nagaya holders all around the world. Sekarang kita akan mendengar cerita-cerita dari pemegang Nagaya dari 3 negara tadi ya, Korea Selatan, Singapura, dan Indonesia. Okay, so I will unpin the management team first. Thank you so much for the presents. So I will remove the pin. Now let us give the pin and let us give the spotlight to, also for myself, yeah, also for myself, yes. So let us now give the spotlight to our Nagaya family from Singapore to share their story. Sekarang kita akan mendengar ya cerita dari keluarga besar Nagaya kita di Singapura. Okay, so can I please have the Nagaya representative from Singapore to show up? Okay, can I have Hui to please lead and point out the Nagaya family from Singapore who will be sharing the story? 1 second, where is Hui? Okay, Vernon's iPad. Okay. 1 second. Okay, where is Jason? Okay, can you all probably give wave your hand for the Singapore team? Okay, Hui, I've already unmuted you. Can you please unmute? Yeah, can you please
Yes.
call out our family from Singapore
Sure.
who will be sharing?
It's our honor to have Mr. Jason Tan to share his story with us tonight.
Okay, Mr. Jason, can we have you here please with us? Is he around?
Yeah, he is.
Okay, what's his username?
Vernon's iPad.
Okay, it's not here. I think
No?
that disconnected. Yeah.
Let me privately inform him. Maybe we can start with the rest.
Oh, sure. Or maybe we can start with the Korean team first.
Yeah, that would be great.
Great. So, okay. So before Singapore, sebelum kita masuk ke tim Singapura, let us first hear from the Korean team to share their wishes and hopes for 2021. So, Oppa, I've already unmuted you. Can you please, share on behalf of the Korean team?
오케이. 회장님 그 한 말씀 해주시겠습니까?
Okay, who will be speaking? I will unmute them.
회장님 손 한번 들어주십시오.
Okay, there you go.
예, he hand up.
Yes, already. I have already unmuted you. You can unmute.
오케이.
Okay. Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Selamat Natal dan Tahun Baru.
그죠, 회장님 한 말씀
예.
해달라고 하십니다.
아까 좋은 그 말씀 듣고 자세히 다 알아듣지 못했지만 좋은 일이 내년에는 더 생길 거
예.
더 아름다운 일이 이루어질 것 같고 회사가 큰 발전과 기여를 할 수 있을 것 같습니다. 한국에도 좋은 소식일 것 같습니다.
Yeah, after hear from the John, it will be a good and a big issue next year in that company. And I hope, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So.
Ya, setelah mendengar dari Pak Johannes tadi, saya sangat berharap besar untuk Nagaya di masa depan dan saya mengucapkan selamat Natal dan Tahun Baru untuk Anda semua.
끝나셨어요?
존을 비롯해서 나가야의 그 모든 가족들이 새해에 큰 축복이 있기를 바랍니다.
Yeah, include John and all family of Nagaya will God bless.
Ya. Jadi keluarga besar Nagaya ini kita
Iya,
akan lebih
감사합니다.
terhubung di masa depan. Ya.
네, 감사합니다.
Terima kasih banyak untuk keluarga besar Nagaya di seluruh dunia. Dan itulah pesan that was the message from our Korean Nagaya holder. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Lee. Gamsahamnida to you. Okay, now we are going to hear from our Singapore team. Yeah, it's from our Singapore team. Okay, Jason is here. Now let us find the other. Okay, here you are. All right, let me just. Okay, Jason, maybe you can start. Yeah, I'm gonna unmute you. Go ahead.
Unmute. Okay. Hi. Can you hear me?
Anda bisa dengar saya?
Hi. I'm Jason here from Singapore.
Saya Jason dari Singapura.
I'm a traditional business for the past 18 years.
Saya menjalankan bisnis tradisional untuk 15 tahun terakhir.
And due to the COVID, there's a lot of business has been transformed to digital platform.
Dan karena COVID-19 ini banyak bisnis-bisnis ini berpindah ya jadi bisnis digital dari bisnis tradisional.
And I have compared various crypto platform with Nagaya crypto asset currency platform.
Saya sudah ditawarkan banyak ya aset-aset kripto sebelumnya dan saya sudah membandingkan aset kripto lainnya dengan Nagaya.
And I decided, to join in as a partnership for the 10,000 coin purchase.
Dan saya memutuskan untuk beli 10.000 Nagaya ya setelah saya membandingkan dengan yang lainnya.
The reason being,
alasannya adalah
number one, there's a gold backup in Singapore safe house.
Emasnya
There
disimpan
are
di
real
sebuah tempat
project
namanya
in
The Safe
nickel
House.
mining and etc.
Ada juga proyek-proyek
So-
real seperti mining, seperti tambang nikel dan sebagainya.
And as a partner, we also receive our interest, $200 for 24 months. And
Dan
thereafter, another 0.015% until we withdraw the coin.
dan juga sebagai pemegang 10.000 Nagaya juga mendapatkan benefit-benefit lebih ya, jika Anda membeli 10.000 Nagaya.
So I hope that by the end of this year, 2021, we should be PCO listed,
Harapan saya
and all
adalah
of us will gain the benefit.
di akhir 2021 Nagaya ini akan di-listed ya di exchanges dan harga kita pasti akan naik jauh dan Anda akan menerima benefitnya.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you so much Jason. Ya, itu adalah Jason ya dari
Welcome.
pemegang Nagaya dari Singapura. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you Jason. Okay, now we are going to hear from Mr. Kam Hum, also from Singapore. You there? Mr. Kam Hum, can we hear you? All right.
Hello.
Hello, we can see you, Mr. Kam Hum.
Let's see. How do I turn on the video?
Sure.
I having some problem with this video.
Oh, oke. Mas ada karena internet saya kurang baik, jadi saya tidak bisa menyalakan video saya. No problem. Go ahead.
If you cannot see anything, you can still hear me.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
Now we can
Okay,
see
I
you.
think I can.
There you are.
You can see me now.
Yes.
Right, the button.
Yeah.
All right. I would like to read about myself first.
Ya, saya akan memperkenalkan diri saya dulu.
I'm a retired. I'm actually in active retirement. First, I would like to say that Nagaya is really a currency that I've been looking for.
Jadi Nagaya itu adalah sebuah cryptocurrency. Itu adalah sebuah currency yang sudah lama saya cari-cari.
Because it is actually very attractive to me. Which is very attractive to me.
Atau sudah
I also like the idea that all the money collected from the investment is also put back into real tangible projects.
Oke, yang saya sukai juga karena uang yang terkumpul itu nantinya akan digunakan di proyek-proyek yang real. Proyek real yang offline atau nyata.
And at the same time, they actually make
kita mendapatkan yang akan dibagikan kepada sebagian
actually the matching profits that pay.
Ya, sepertinya internet kita banyak yang suddenly hilang ya.
Yang lebih membuat saya tertarik yang I think we are having not
Okay.
really good connection with the internet.
My side.
Okay. So, yeah, Danny, please continue with the other one while Miss read it out.
Okay.
So maybe we can continue with
Okay.
the other one first. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Coach Lee. Waiting for your chat.
Oke. Can you all hear me? Teman-teman bisa dengar saya? Bisa lihat saya? Oke, ya. Oke, memang sepertinya. Oke. Can you all hear? Sepertinya memang banyak ya yang internetnya lagi kurang baik, jadi tidak masalah. Oke, terima kasih banyak ya tadi dari Kamhum ya dari Singapura. Oke, ada yang mic-nya on. Dari mana ini? Sebentar ya. Saya mute dulu ya. Oke, bisa dengar saya? Iya. Oke, sip. Baik. Sekarang kita, now we are going to listen to, thank you so much for the representative from Singapore and South Korea. Again, we apologize, the signal is, it's seasoned probably and stuff. Ya, kami sekali lagi mohon maaf ya, tadi ada technical issues ya, sepertinya dengan sinyal. Tapi Anda bisa dengar saya ya, you all can hear me, right? Okay. Sekarang, now we are going to hear from the representative Nagaya holder from Indonesia. Ya, sekarang kita akan dengar dari representatif Nagaya dari Indonesia. Ya, kita ada, right now we have a few prepared, so I'm gonna pin the ones that are, he's not there in the room. Okay, Pak Rindu is the first one, and then second we also have Benny, Mr. Benny. Yeah, I think he's also here. And then we have Ibu Dian. Ibu Dian, can you please wave your hand? There she is. Okay. So I'm gonna pin you as well. Oke, baik. Sekarang kita akan mendengarkan untuk ketiga representatif dari Indonesia. We supposed to have the fourth one. Is Ibu Suzana here? Apakah Ibu Suzana ada? Tidak ada ya? Okay, are you there? Are you there? No. Okay, no problem. So we are going to move on with the three representatives from Indonesia. Yeah, we will start with Mr. Rindu. Yeah, to start with sharing his story and what is his vision for Nagaya in 2021. So, Mr. Rindu, over to you. Silahkan, Pak Rindu.
Tes, kedengaran suaranya, Bro Dani?
Ya, kedengaran, Pak. Ada yang.
Selamat malam buat teman-teman.
Good evening to
gimana?
all. Tadi ada menggema, Pak. Mungkin ada yang nyala dari tempat lain. Iya.
Oh, oke. Sebentar ya. Matiin.
Oke, boleh di-unmute lagi sekali lagi, Pak Rindu? Boleh di-unmute lagi sekali lagi? Oke, silakan.
Selamat malam buat teman-teman pecinta Nagaya di seluruh dunia.
Okay, good evening to all Nagaya holders and Nagaya lovers all around the world.
Ya, perkenalkan nama saya Rindu Marbun.
Yeah, please let me introduce myself. My name is Rindu Marbun.
Ya, saya berasal dari Jakarta, Indonesia.
I am from Jakarta, Indonesia.
Ya, latar belakang saya adalah seorang property agent.
My background is I actually started with being a property agent.
Oke, saya mengenal Nagaya dari teman saya. Setelah saya pelajari beberapa lama, saya akhirnya memutuskan untuk membeli Nagaya dengan tujuan investasi. Kebetulan saya juga sudah sangat mengenal tentang dunia kripto dan saya rutin trading di bursa Binance dan Bittrex.
So I happen to know a little bit about cryptocurrencies, and I often trade cryptocurrencies on Binance and Bittrex. And I got introduced to Nagaya by a friend for a purpose of investment.
Kenapa saya mau invest dan membeli Nagaya? Alasan saya karena saya punya pengalaman yang sangat unik tentang Bitcoin. Oke, begini ceritanya. Dulu 2019 ketika Bitcoin baru muncul dan pada saat itu Bitcoin banyak dipakai untuk alat bayar game dan harganya waktu itu masih sangat murah, hanya 1 sen per Bitcoin.
Okay, so I have the reason why I chose Nagaya and I really value Nagaya is because I have a very unique experience with Bitcoin. So, why is my voice dubbing? Why is my voice dubbing? Okay, so I knew Bitcoin in 2009 when its price was still very cheap, and that time it was still new.
Artinya
So
seandainya saya
I
membeli
knew Bitcoin in 2009, its price was still very cheap, and that time it was still new.
seandainya saya artinya seandainya kita tahu kenaikan Bitcoin sangat dahsyat. Hari ini harga Bitcoin sudah 386 juta per koin. Artinya 10.000 kali 386 juta, saya bisa punya uang hari ini 3,8 triliun.
Okay. Okay, why is my voice double? Okay, anyway, so at that point of time, I knew Bitcoin, its price was still 100 cents. And if I would purchase 10,000 Bitcoin at the time, at this point of time, I would be worth about 3 trillion rupiah or $280 million.
Wow, angka yang sangat luar biasa. Fantastis. Seandainya ini benar-benar terjadi, saya akan menjadi salah satu orang terkaya di kota saya. Dan saya kira itu sangat luar biasa.
So that's a fantastic number. If I would have done that, and right now I would be one of the richest person in my town.
Ya, teman-teman, seandainya waktu bisa diputar kembali, apa yang akan kita lakukan dengan Bitcoin? Saya percaya kita akan borong sebanyak mungkin. Bahkan mungkin sebagian dari kita akan nekat menjual aset apa saja untuk membeli sebanyak mungkin Bitcoin.
So if you could turn back time and go to 2009 when Bitcoin price was still very cheap, what would you do with Bitcoin? You would buy as much as you want, or maybe you would even sell your asset to buy Bitcoin, correct?
Tapi sayang, 1000 kali sayang, kesempatan ini sudah lewat, teman-teman. Faktanya saat ini harga Bitcoin sudah sangat mahal dan tidak mungkin lagi berinvestasi di Bitcoin karena menjadi sangat berisiko dan butuh modal yang sangat besar.
But right now, Bitcoin's price is too expensive, so it's not worth it as much to invest in Bitcoin because it's now very expensive. It's a very high risk and you require a lot of capital.
Belajar dari pengalaman di Bitcoin, saya justru melihat ada kesempatan kedua di Nagaya Coin, di mana saat ini harganya masih sangat murah karena masih harga dasar.
So learning from the experience in Bitcoin, I believe that we got a second chance in Nagaya because the price is still very cheap and it has a very good prospect.
Ketika saya join, ketika saya join maksud saya di Nagaya, saya membeli di harga $1 per Nagaya. Harga saat ini sudah mengalami kenaikan 1 kali menjadi 1,1 US dollar per Nagaya atau kisaran 18.000 rupiah. Dan informasi yang saya dapat, menurut aktuaria Singapura memprediksi harga Nagaya akan mencapai 100 US dollar per Nagaya ke depan, bahkan bisa sampai 1.000 atau 10.000 di masa mendatang.
So I purchased Nagaya when the price was still $1, and right now it has experienced one time piece of price, which is now at 1.1. And the actuarial science experts of Singapore believes that its price could go to $100 or even more in the future.
Artinya ketika saya berinvestasi di Nagaya, saya seperti membeli ikan teri dan menjual ikan kakap. Karena membeli dengan $1 per Nagaya, kemudian beberapa tahun ke depan naik menjadi 100 US dollar per Nagaya, artinya persentase kenaikannya itu bisa mencapai di atas 10.000%. Dahsyat banget.
So buying Nagaya at this point and selling it later is like buying a small fish and selling later on a big fish. Imagine that later on it actually happens. How many times is the increase of price that actually happened to your Nagaya?
Oke, teman-teman, Nagaya buat saya adalah harapan yang sangat luar biasa di masa mendatang. Nagaya memiliki beberapa keunggulan dibandingkan dengan kripto lain. Salah satu yang paling saya suka dari Nagaya adalah Nagaya di backup emas murni. Satu-satunya kripto yang ada backupnya dan backupnya bisa bertambah. Di mana untuk harga saat ini, 50% dari Nagaya langsung dikasih backup, sehingga resiko investasi makin diminimalisir.
Okay, so one of the reasons why I really like Nagaya is the first one is it's backed by gold, right? So it's one of the it's the first one in the world in which it's backed by gold, and the gold can actually increase with time. So that minimizes your risk as you buy Nagaya.
Kemudian Nagaya juga menjalankan proyek-proyek real. Proyek yang pertama yang sudah dijalankan adalah tambang nikel yang ada di Kolaka, Sulawesi. Kami orang Indonesia lebih beruntung dari teman-teman dari negara lain karena proyeknya kebetulan ada di negara kami, Indonesia. Sehingga saya dengan mudah bisa mengecek semua perizinannya, termasuk juga pembuktian lokasi tambang, semua kami sudah cek, benar adanya dan bukan bohongan.
So the second reason why I really like Nagaya is because of the projects that it runs. Nagaya runs real projects. Right? One of them is the nickel mine that is in the city of Kolaka in Indonesia. We are a little bit luckier because because the project is in our country, and we are able to validate it, and we have validated the project's existence, its legality, its location, and everything. So it's all real and legit.
Ya, keunggulan Nagaya lainnya adalah marketnya global. Seluruh dunia bisa beli dengan total supply hanya terbatas 45 juta koin saja. Dan dengan kondisi seperti ini, kenaikannya sangat mungkin bisa mencapai 100, 1000 atau 10.000 per Nagaya.
Okay, so another feature of Nagaya that makes it very lucrative is there is only a finite amount of Nagaya, which is about 45 million that is sold to the public, and the market is the whole world, right? So imagine the whole world running after just 45 million Nagaya. That's why the price of $100 or even more is very achievable.
Oke, pertama kali saya membeli Nagaya tahun 2018 yang lalu. Saya membeli Nagaya karena konsepnya sangat menarik. Tapi setelah beli Nagaya, saya diamkan dan tidak kerjakan. Saya malah sibuk mengerjakan bisnis trading gold berbasis MLM. Tapi apa yang terjadi? Sejak 2018, semua bisnis yang saya ikuti semua scam. Dan saya mengalami kerugian yang sangat besar. 2020 di tengah kondisi pandemi COVID-19, saya sudah tidak ada pekerjaan. Kemudian saya teringat kembali dengan Nagaya Coin yang pernah saya beli. Gimana kabarnya Nagaya?
Okay, so I actually purchased Nagaya in the year 2018, right? At that time, Nagaya was still, but was still just a concept, you know, not like what it is today. And I purchased Nagaya because I like its concept. But after I purchased it in 2018, I don't really promote it to my friends. Instead, I was promoting other companies, and unfortunately, most of the companies that I promote turn out to be scams. So in 2020, I was having nothing. I was having no business, and I suddenly remembered, oh, how is Nagaya doing right now?
Puji Tuhan, ternyata Nagaya masih ada. Bahkan bukan cuma ada, tapi makin berkembang sesuai dengan roadmap-nya. Penjualan Nagaya tumbuh pesat, di tengah pandemi sekalipun Nagaya makin berkembang. Padahal hampir semua sektor bisnis usaha bangkrut.
Okay, so to my surprise, when I actually rechecked on Nagaya, I realized they still exist, and not just exist, they're doing even better. They're following their roadmaps, they're fulfilling their promises, and they are doing even better than when I met them in the beginning.
Akhirnya saya kembali ke jalan yang benar. Saya kembali menjalankan Nagaya. Saya ceritakan ke teman-teman baik saya melalui online maupun offline. Hasilnya sangat luar biasa, teman-teman. Karena apa? Konsep Nagaya itu sangat luar biasa.
So I kind of walked back in the right path. And I stopped whatever it is I was doing and I started focusing on Nagaya. I shared it with my friends and family about how amazing the concept is.
Ingat teman-teman, Nagaya akan menjadi standar baru di dunia kripto. Karena Nagaya satu-satunya kripto di backup emas dan backupnya bisa bertambah.
I want you all to remember this, my friends. Nagaya will set a new standard and benchmark in the cryptocurrency industry because Nagaya is the only one in the world in which the gold backup can increase and is backed by real projects.
Teman-teman, di mana saja Anda berada, belilah Nagaya sekarang juga mumpung masih sangat murah. Dan ketika harga sudah naik, Anda bisa jual dan raih keuntungan sebanyak mungkin. Ingat, di Nagaya uang Anda seperti ikan teri dan jual seperti ikan kakap.
Saya suka sekali analogi itu, Pak. Yeah. So my friends all over the world, I want you to remember that please buy Nagaya when the price is still very low. I want you to remember that Nagaya will set a new standard amongst cryptocurrencies, and buying Nagaya is like buying a small fish and selling a big fish later on. That's how much benefit you will gain in the future.
Oke, terima kasih teman-teman. Salam buat kita semua. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much, everyone. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Pak Rindu from Indonesia. There was a very honest experience that actually happened with him. Yeah. So Pak Rindu was one of the very first people who knew about Nagaya and actually purchased. So thank you, Pak Rindu. So next we are going to hear from another representative from Indonesia, Ibu Dian. Are you there? Ibu Dian ada? Okay, by the way, as you can see, that is a Nagaya Independent Office in Manokwari in West Papua. You can see the background. Yeah, and Ibu Dian is currently with Nagaya holder in West Papua. So Ibu Dian, akan saya unmute, silahkan ya Ibu Dian ya. Go ahead. Selamat malam Papua Barat. Greetings Papua.
Selamat malam. Bapak di sini saja. Di sini saja. Selamat malam.
Good evening everyone. Ya, kita bisa dengar Bu Dian.
Oh, bisa.
Bisa. We can hear you. Okay. Go ahead. Ya.
Kami dari Papua Barat, ini sekarang lagi ada Bu Dorce, Pak Abner, pembeli 50.000 koin Nagaya.
Okay, so I am currently, So So I'm currently with the Nagaya holders in Papua Barat, in West Papua. Ya, sambil aku translate ya Bu Dian ya, so jadi mereka bisa paham.
Kami serius di Nagaya karena tahun 2019 saya sudah mulai di Nagaya. Oke, awal Desember ya itu ya, Desember ya. Terus pertama saya sangat bersyukur sama Tuhan, terus untuk Pak Yones Chandra juga yang sudah membuat konsep investasi yang real di Nagaya. Karena saya orangnya memang hobi di dunia investasi. Nah setelah saya melihat di awal tentang Nagaya,
it seems like that's the signal.
Di Papua Barat. Dan kami fokus artinya kami juga tidak mengambil bisnis yang lain. Kami benar-benar hanya fokus di Nagaya. Sampai kami buat kantor informasi Nagaya Center di Papua Barat.
Oke, Bu Dian, aku translate dulu ya.
Yeah.
Aku translate dulu. Okay, so I started in Nagaya in the year 2019, especially in 2019 end. That was when I got first to know Nagaya, and I'm very grateful to Pak Yohanes Chandra and all the Nagaya team for creating an investment, for creating a cryptocurrency that is real, that is legit, and that has a good long-term prospect. And that is the reason why we have a Nagaya Independent Information Center in West Papua. Silakan Bu Dian.
Oke, terima kasih juga Mr. Jung yang sudah berkunjung di Papua Barat. Ya.
Thank you to Professor Jung as
kami
well,
sangat-
who has visited us in West Papua.
Dan juga untuk kami punya komitmen untuk Nagaya di Papua Barat. Kami harus bisa menghabiskan 5 juta Nagaya. Dan kami lagi membuat sebuah konsep kerja untuk tim marketing kami di depan.
Okay. So we have a commitment. We are making a commitment for West Papua that we want to finish 5 million Nagaya only in West Papua, and we're preparing the strategies so that we can make it happen by next year.
Oke, terima kasih. Itu aja kayaknya ya Pak Dani.
Oke. Terima kasih
Atau
banyak.
yang perlu tambahin?
Maybe anyone else would like to share from there? Ada lagi mungkin yang mau berbagi dari sana? Pak Abner, bagaimana kabarnya Pak? So currently Ibu Dian is with
50.
Pak Abner. He purchased 50,000 Nagaya already. Thank you. Yeah. So terima kasih banyak ya dari Papua Barat, semangat selalu, kita akan selalu mendukung. So thank you so much to our team in Manokwari, West Papua. For our family here in Singapore and Korea and other countries, maybe you have seen in our presentations, our Nagaya Independent Information Center that is located there as what you're seeing in West Papua in Indonesia. So terima kasih sekali lagi Bu Dian dan teman-teman dari Manokwari, semangat selalu ya. God bless you all. Ya, so sekarang kita akan mendengar ya. Now we are going to hear from one more story from another Nagaya holder, that is Benny. He's young, he's very passionate, and he has a lot to share about Nagaya. Sekarang kita akan dengar langsung dari Pak Benny ya. Masih muda ya, semangat dan punya banyak visi untuk Nagaya. Silakan Pak Benny. Go ahead.
Okay, hello everyone, Nagaya holders and Nagaya lovers. I had like to share my own testimony with all of you as to why I choose Nagaya as my future long-term asset.
Oke, saya sambil translate ya, Benny ya.
Oke.
Jadi saya ingin sharing pengalaman saya dan testimoni saya pribadi, kenapa saya memilih Nagaya sebagai aset masa depan saya.
Nagaya is very promising asset where I got the change, the chance to purchase it the price of $1.1 price, and could later on seeing the price go up to $100 or even more.
Saya mendapatkan kesempatan ya untuk membeli Nagaya ini ketika harganya masih $1.1 dan kami bisa melihat ya ekspektasinya adalah bisa mencapai $100 atau lebih.
Okay. This is like the experience I had purchasing Bitcoin at very cheap price, and later on selling it high price.
Oke, ini seperti saya jadi teringat pengalaman saya membeli Bitcoin ketika harganya masih sangat murah dan kemudian menjualnya ketika harganya sangat tinggi.
Okay, but only in Nagaya first time I'm seeing an asset like this. That while I am waiting for the price to rise, I get to receive dividends every month, and also I need not to worry that the price will drop because Nagaya is backed up by LBMA grade gold.
Jadi satu-satunya di dunia Nagaya ini ya pertama kali saya lihat di mana ketika kita sedang menunggu harganya naik, itu kita bisa mendapatkan dividen. Ya, dan kita tidak perlu terlalu peduli tentang harganya yang akan turun. Kenapa? Karena setiap Nagaya di backup oleh emas murni bersertifikat LBMA.
These are some of the reasons as to why I didn't think twice when I had to purchase Nagaya, and I don't want to miss the opportunity.
Itulah kenapa ketika saya tahu tentang Nagaya, saya nggak mikir 2 kali, 3 kali. Ya, saya langsung beli karena saya nggak mau ketinggalan kesempatan ini.
And one more things that makes me very interested is Nagaya marketing plan system.
Dan salah satunya juga yang membuat saya sangat tertarik tentang Nagaya adalah marketing plan sistemnya.
Okay, that's why I'm very excited to promote it, Nagaya to all my friends, because I get referral commissions and matching profit commission from project dividends received by my entire network. That is in the 10th generation of my network every month. And this is so amazing.
Ya, jadi saya juga, jadi bayangkan ya, jadi ketika saya memberitahu tentang Nagaya ya kepada semua teman-teman dan kerabat saya, dan kalau mereka beli saya mendapatkan referral bonus ya, dan juga nanti dividen yang mereka terima saya juga akan menerima dari itu, bahkan sampai 10 kedalaman. Jadi itulah yang luar biasa.
And now let us all to join hands and support Nagaya together. Go to 25% selling.
So mari kita sama-sama ya sebagai sebuah keluarga besar ya, kita sama-sama mendukung agar tahun depan Nagaya ini bisa mencapai 25% penjualan dan masuk ke exchanger, masuk ke market.
Okay.
That's all?
Finished.
That's all. Thank you, Pak Benny. I call him usually Bro Benny because he's still very young. Yeah. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Pak Benny, Pak Rindu, Ibu Dian. Yeah, I think that's all from the Indonesian testimonial. So I would like to read first. There is a message from Mr. Lee. Yeah, because his internet was not very good, so he sent a message. So this is what his testimony is. What I like about Nagaya, the first is the gold-backed cryptocurrency that I have come across. The first one that can actually increase their gold. Second, Nagaya is putting the money into tangible projects with the aim to increase the amount of gold per Nagaya and to also issue monthly dividends. And third, what I like the best is the matching profits in Nagaya also. Yeah, the same. The 10 levels of matching profit is a real passive income for anyone who is willing to work hard to grow your network of investors. My one-time effort will ensure that I can get a monthly passive income from my network. We in the Singapore team will do our best to increase the PCO amount in Singapore. We sincerely hope to reach the target 12,500,000 Nagaya sold by the end of 2021. Ya, jadi secara singkat dari Mr. Lee dari Singapura adalah kami dari tim Singapura akan bekerja keras dan memastikan bahwa tahun depan Nagaya ini masuk market. Oke, thank you. Thank you so much Mr. Lee. Ya. Now I am going to unpin the team from Indonesia. Terima kasih, Budian. Okay, so that was our event today. Thank you so much ya. Terima kasih banyak atas semua keluarga besar Nagaya. We thank you so much for all the Nagaya family who has already attended today. Before you all leave the meeting, remember we'll have a group photo session. Don't leave first, yeah. So the only thing I can say is I'm so happy to see the Nagaya family worldwide, yeah, to join hands and to meet, because we are all, there's no Nagaya Korea, there's no Nagaya Singapore, Nagaya Indonesia, there's only Nagaya family worldwide. Ya, jadi tidak ada yang namanya Nagaya Singapura, Nagaya Korea, hanya ada Nagaya keluarga besar Nagaya di seluruh dunia. Ya, jadi kita semua satu keluarga, we are all one family. Let us all make sure that we achieve our goals together and have a better 2021. Ya, jadi mari kita bersama-sama ya mencapai goal kita bersama ya di Nagaya untuk 2021 yang jauh lebih baik untuk Anda semua. Okay, terima kasih banyak. So let us have our group photo first before you all leave. So can I please request all of you all to please turn on the camera, turn on the video. Ya, bolehkah saya request Anda semua untuk menyalakan video? Ya, sekali lagi terima kasih banyak. Thank you so much. Annyeonghaseyo to our Nagaya family in Korea. So happy to see you. Yeah, and thank you also to our Nagaya family in Singapore. Ya, thank you so much dan terima kasih banyak ya atas keluarga besar Nagaya di Indonesia. Ya, jadi sekarang mari kita foto bersama. Let's take a group photo, so that we can have a better 2021. Can you all please turn on the video so we can take a group photo? There's going to be 3 sessions ya, akan ada 3 sesi because ada 3 halaman karena there's 3 pages. Yes, so some of you are still not turning it on. So in the count of 3 ya, we will take the photo together. Okay, some of you are still not on yet. Can you all please turn on the camera, Boleh dinyalakan kameranya Pak Rindu, Ibu Shirley. It's still not on. Okay. So in the count of 3 ya, dalam hitungan ketiga, please put on your best smile ya. Tolong tunjukkan senyum Anda yang paling sumringah. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Alright, yeah, that's still session 1. Wait, don't go anywhere. That is still session 1. 1 second. I have to save this one first. Are you all still there? Yes, you're all still there. Okay. This is session 1. Now session 2. Yeah, whoever is in page 2, please be on standby. Okay. Session 2, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Be on standby ya. Now we will have the third one. Okay, session 3. One more. We have one more page. Masih ada 1 halaman lagi. Okay, page 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay. Ya, sekali lagi terima kasih banyak. Thank you so much to all the Nagaya family worldwide. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to all of you. Let us all hope and pray for a better Nagaya in 2021. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great holiday. Mudah-mudahan liburan Anda luar biasa dan sampai jumpa. See you all in 2021. Sampai jumpa di tahun 2021. See you all.